decided to come here because I came here as a small child through teen, and then decided once I had my own children to come back and start that cycle again. So I was looking for a place that would allow myself and my children to both see the same doctors and get more of a family feel from it.
The reason we came here was because of reputation. Would ask about the best doctors around. I'm a physician, and heard from a number of them that this was a great place for a family, both for pediatrics as well as general medicine.
I think we have a great mix of patients here, not just age-wise. I mean, we see newborns all the way up through more elderly patients, but I think we have a great mix of more urban population that has moved out this way because of the school system out here and everything that Oldham County has to offer, and then also the rural population that's right on the outskirts. And I think we all love seeing that great mix of patients and the people that come in. Everybody's very friendly and very nice, and it's been so much fun getting to know all the patients here.
Now, one of the things that I think this doctor's office provides that I'm not sure another would is they combine all of our family history and take the knowledge of knowing us over the last 20 years to be able to provide the best care possible.
We try to keep everything in-house under one roof if we can. So whereas I think a lot of practices may refer everybody out to specialists and subspecialists for varying things, we try to do everything that we can do here. We've been trained in doing that, and so we like to offer that to our patients. That way they don't have to spend a lot of time going around to different offices to try to get things done. So I think that's cost effective in the sense that we're not over ordering tests or sending people out to specialists for everything, but I think the patients come to trust us and know us, and so they like that we're able to do their joint injection or their skin biopsy or something like that.
I feel like we're able to offer very cost-effective healthcare. In an age where more and more of us are paying out of pocket for healthcare, we're able to keep things in-house, do most of our medical care here for various medical conditions, as well as set our own fees and our own schedules, being that we are a private setting.
The nursing staff and the individuals that answer the phone make me feel like I was the only person that called that day, and that means a lot, especially you tend to have a sense of urgency when it comes to your children. And anytime I've called, I've always gotten a call back from one of the nurses or front desk associates, which is really, really nice.
The care that I've received here and why I like to come here is that they always seem to take the time to explain things thoroughly. My primary is Dr. Idstein, but I too have seen the other doctors and have no hesitation in seeing any of them for my care.
Everyone here is board certified in both pediatrics and internal medicine. We all love seeing the kids all the way down to the first newborn visit, and all the elderly patients as well. And I think it's nice to kind of have everyone in the same place. Another population I feel like that we do great with is adolescents. Everyone ages out of their pediatrician at some point, and finding the adult doctor after that becomes a little bit challenging, and we tend to lose a lot of those college age students during that time. And the benefit of being someplace like Internal Medicine and Pediatric Associates is that they don't have to have that gap. They don't have to find that new adult physician. They can stay right where they are, and we would love to keep taking care of them here when they're home for college or back from their study abroad, whatever it might be.
Having 3 children under 6, it's really important that I have the ability to reach out to my physician after hours, and I don't ever feel as though I'm an inconvenience. Anytime that I've called, they have called me back within 10 to 15 minutes and have been so super helpful and created an ease and a calm that I know the direction in which I should go from there. So that means a lot, especially it seems like anytime a doctor's office is closed is when your children get the sickest.
Internal Medicine and Pediatric Associates is different from other practices in several ways. A lot of medicine nowadays is practiced in a corporate setting, and it tends to be a larger setting, hospital-based. We feel it's less intimate and the relationships we feel we build more with our patients.
I think the other thing that makes us different is that we are all dual boarded in both internal medicine and pediatrics. So essentially like a family practice, but yet we're very specialized in each of those fields. So we're fully trained pediatricians as well as fully trained internists, and I think that makes us a little bit different than some other practices that are similar and see varying age groups.
We moved here in 1997. I have lived in this community in the same house since then. And when we moved here, it was me and my wife and our 4 daughters. And we started very soon after arriving, coming to this office. And as you can see, we've grown considerably since then, and never ever experienced anything other than exceptional care here.